Kia ora, my name's Emma Rawson Te-Patu. I'm the President of the World Federation of Public Health Associations, and I come from Aotearoa, New Zealand, from the tribal groups of Ngāti Ranginui, Ngaitarangi, Raukawa and Ngāti Haua. So NOURISH was born at the Salzburg Global Fellowship Program when a number of us who are the core activators of NOURISH came together to discuss centering health equity, transforming the knowledge science system. Over the period of a week at the Salzburg Global in Austria, we discussed ideas about how we wanted to see health equity increase, and we all understood and realised that it was about how decisions get made, and so NOURISH was created from that. So the idea of NOURISH is that we create a network of networks globally. We recognise that there are a number of different groups doing work that aligns with what we want to see, which is values-based practice. But more than that, it's values-based practice that's underpinned with decolonial thinking. And so we came together and decided that we wanted to create an opportunity or a mechanism that would help to support the coming together of all the current networks of networks, and then helped to educate them on what it is to understand a decolonised way of thinking and an approach to not only the relationships and connections, but also how decisions get made. So in the short term, we are very excited to be creating the infrastructure for NOURISH as a global NGO. We're in discussions with a number of people about how they can support us and how they'd like to be part of NOURISH and what skills they can bring to help to support the ideas and philosophy of NOURISH. We're also looking at where we might find funding to help support us to grow the networks and to grow the education and resources that we know we will need to help to support these networks of networks to lean into the practice of the philosophy that we are developing and sharing. Also in the short term, we're looking forward to holding a hard launch of NOURISH during the World Health Assembly in Geneva at the end of May this year. And so we're inviting as many people that are interested in the idea of what we're presenting to come and join us in Geneva and join us at our event. We will put links to that event on our LinkedIn page so that people can see where it is and how they might be able to attend. We also have a QR code that people can click on and put their name in their register of interest in NOURISH and skills that they think they might have to bring in supporting the idea and the work that we're doing. In the long term, we would like to be a leader in supporting networks of networks to be educating others on how to work from a decolonial methodology in terms of the way in which people operate, make decisions, and basically be and do good in the world. So we at NOURISH think this is a really important initiative because we recognise that politics plays a huge role in determining how well or not people are, and so we really want to play a role in supporting and empowering people to control that they can control and go around the political determinants of health so that we can continue to grow and strengthen ourselves as communities and communities of communities, so that we don't have to be in the whim of the political determinants of health all the time, every day. So we at NOURISH really want to thank the Robert Woods Johnson Foundation that funded our ability to come together as a group to begin the initial stages of our planning, and the second stage of our planning, which will be the launch in Geneva in May. And we also like to thank the Salzburg Global Fellowship Program for bringing us all together. Please come and join us to nourish the world.